guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
Be First Sailing music video, and this is, I believe, is gonna be the like from because
it's a manga.
Yeah, we reacted to Sailing when they did the car games. Remember, it was like a. So I think this is gonna be like from the anime maybe or something like that, just the scene. So I don't think it's like they're gonna be in it, but probably just like the scenes from the show. But let's see. Never mind. So we do get them. That's cool. That they're. Oh. Okay, so it's a legit music video then. Okay. And the song is called Sailing, and we see like a kind of ship constructed out of ship frame. It's interesting.
So I like this that when you're sailing you look at the what you call it? What you call it?
Well,
no,
it's not binoculars. Only one. I don't know.
A periscope.
Oh, I don't.
It's some sort of scope.
Yeah, scope.
But it's cool that they're doing this kind of add to the theme.
It does look like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, telescope is usually when you look at the sky, but I think principle is the same. Like zoom in, So I think it's a telescope. I wonder what's up with the bubbles. Why are we getting the bubbles floating in the air? That's interesting. And these are big ass bubbles too.
I feel like bubbles add to the dream fantasy.
Okay.
Fashion in this is not too like on the nose of like we're wearing sailor uniforms. They're themselves. And I feel like this is like a little different from Be First. It's not like that hardcore, the beats and everything. This is perfect for what they're accomplishing for this show or TV show.
This is very much J-pop sound, Oh, never mind. Now we're getting the Be First sound. Okay. I love the switch up. I love the beat, the outfits, like the music, the whole music video switched up. I love it. Oh, that was short.
Switch back.
That was so interesting. We got like a little, detour come back. Oh, that's so interesting.
He's growing out his hair. Every time I see it, it's bigger and bigger and bigger. Because his hair was like faded. Now it's like growing.
Maybe he's trying to be like Sky High.
I always look at the newspaper because newspaper always have like an egg.
Oh, true. Yeah, look at their names. Leo, Ryuhei, yeah. Member common. Yes, definitely there's eggs in there.
This gives the illusion that they're underwater.
Yeah, I was just thinking that too. Yeah, it definitely gives underwater.
I like the contrast from the different shots that they take for this music video. Very interesting.
You think that's their logo? That's the like the because initially I thought this was maybe like the logo for the game, you know, the One Piece, but it does have B in it.
Could be.
So now I'm like, maybe it's B
True.
first.
Now I see it. I love that they're having fun with this one. That's a cool collab between the two, the Beefers and One Piece.
That's very cool that Beefers got this opportunity. That's great for them.
Because I know this is like a very popular manga.
Yeah, and they had like a game where, as I said, when we watched the other video, they were like playing a game. So yeah, that was cool. Good for them. I'm happy for them.
Guys, of course, let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord. And as always, share as much kindness as possible.